Hi there, hope that you guys having a wonderful day. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to focus on specific areas in Photoshop. First, duplicate the background layers with Ctrl J or Command J. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Iris Blur. Now you just drag the shape of the area that you want to focus. There's no blur in the middle except the edge of the shape. Click to another area to add another focus point. I'll focus on her elbows. When you're done, adjust the opacity and done. It's super quick and easy, so now you already know how to create a focus point to your photo. Have fun! If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button. And you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis.